Familiarize yourself with the 2012 Nissan Rogue. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All-wheel drive maintains traction at all 4 corners. Top features include a split folding rear seat, leather upholstery, a rear window wiper, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, a roof rack, and cruise control. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.